This is a 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a big SUV for big fun. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated front seats, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, halogen headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. This Jeep has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.